Hello, this is the Mukisa family once again. I am Mark Mukisa.
I'm Melody Mukisa.
And I'm Melissa Mukisa.
And we are today going to make
Pizza!
pizza. Two kinds of pizzas. Now this is homemade pizza. We've never tried this before, but we are going to do something about it. Our trays are ready. The cheese is ready. The dough is ready. The onions and garlic and tomatoes are ready right there. And today, special recipe, I'm going to do a minced meat pizza.
Yeah!
So, this is what we are going to do. Number one, we are going to make sure that our trays are buttered. All right? We put some little olive oil on them so that the pizza will not stick. Now we will make sure that we get one. Melissa, get that one. And I'm going to put one on my tray right there to make sure that I am doing very well. I hope that is done very, very well. Right there. All right, that's the pizza. Right there. Now we will need ketchup, tomato sauce. I'm going to pour that right there on my pizza.
Yum, yum, yum.
And I'm going to pour another one. We're going to make two pizzas.
Yeah.
One tomato, one pineapple, another one minced meat. Now, there is. We are just trying these new recipes right there. Do you have, why don't you use that knife and spread it, Melissa? We're going to spread it right there. Melody, are you seeing what we're doing?
Yeah!
Right there. I think I need a bit more tomato sauce. Ketchup
Melissa, it's
right
like you're
there.
making a flower.
Make sure it's quite enough. Right there and there. Make sure it is spread evenly all over the place. You see that, Melody? This is amazing. This is what you do at home with your family. And on the camera, I want to give credit to Maxwell, who is filming, and Mommy, who is in the background listening to these things. That is now our ketchup ready on our pizzas. Now you have grated your cheese.
Yum!
You've grated your cheese. Melissa, can we put them? Put one there and put one here. Put on that one. Melody, you want to help too? All right. Make sure that is put very well. Put enough cheese. Put enough of the cheese right there. Put enough of it. Enough cheese. Enough cheese. Make it generous. Because our God is a God of what?
Generosity.
Generosity. Cheese is what makes pizza. Right there. Put as much as you can on your pizza. Right there. It's coming off very well. Keep on putting, Melissa, that needs a bit more. A bit more.
Fill the spaces.
Fill all the spaces right there. This is the Mukisa family with Melody, Melissa, and myself, Pastor Mark Mukisa. One of this part of what my name is cook. I cook a lot. Now, for the pizzas, we want to also splash a little onion right there. Splash it right there. Just splash it on your pizza. Splash it there.
It's like it's raining when you eat it.
It's like it's what?
Raining.
Raining. What's your best pizza, Melody?
Vegetable, but I also like minced meat.
You also like minced meat. Then let us put, Melissa, what are we putting now?
Garlic.
Garlic. Garlic is good for what?
Health?
Health? What does it do?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
It's very good for you. Okay, now that is garlic. Now we're going to splash a little tomato too. Splash that little tomato there. Are you doing that?
Yeah, we
All
are.
right. Splashing a little tomato right there on the pizza. It's coming very, very well, I can see.
Yeah.
Right there. You can splash the rest of it there. And you are going to do the pineapple one. Right there. Splash the pineapple right there. This is going to be a pineapple pizza. And this is going to be a minced meat pizza. I have my minced meat right here, ready. And I'm going to just splash it all over. Yes.
Raining down.
Splash it all over. In my minced meat, I've put a little pepper.
Pepper.
I fried it so well. It is ready. Are you through with that, Melissa?
Yes.
Okay.
It's a pineapple Katarina.
Which one would you prefer of all these, Melissa?
I prefer to taste the minced meat one.
The minced meat. All
Pineapple
right.
one.
I'm getting that done right here. I'm giving it a generous helping here. This is gonna be yummy. This is yummy at the Mukisa residence. We are making it yummy.
Yummy.
Very, very yummy. We love cooking and we need to enjoy life before we go to heaven. If we enjoy life here, we'll also enjoy the life in heaven. All right, here we come. The minced meat is done right there. I think that's a very generous helping. Here, I've done that. Okay, now to make it a little more moist,
Oil.
we want to splash extra virgin olive oil on the pizzas. Extra virgin. Let me start with you, Melissa. Just splash a little on that pizza. Let me add a bit more cheese and my minced meat right there.
A little more
Okay.
cheese.
A little more cheese, yeah, a little more cheese. All right. Now, I think I need to also do the same right here. Olive oil is always very good for you. Right there, it's the most healthy oil you can think of in life. It is good for health. Stop using these other things. They are going to clog your heart. But use olive oil, which is very good for you. You can use as much as you can. I've splashed the rest of the thing right there. Now, to make sure you keep the moisture inside, and so that the pizza does not dry up so much, what do we need?
Foil.
Oh, aluminium foil. One for you, Melissa, and one for me. And I will put it right there and tuck it out on the sides, just like this. Just like this. Tuck it out.
You're talking about
Keep it in. Tuck up also all the sides. Make sure they are done very well. I have already preheated my oven. My oven is ready. Can you see my oven is ready? And it is on. At the Mukisa residence, we enjoy this, doing it as family. Okay, are you through with that, Melissa?
Yes, I am.
All right, let's take it to the oven. The meat pizza, minced meat, and then pineapple right there. Let's go. Let's go. It's gonna be good. right there. You opened it, right? All right. Let me place the first one. Where? Here. Right.
First pizza.
Oh, let me get me. I need something to hold with. So that I. Yes. I need to move this right here because we have two pizzas. One will be on the lower and one will be on the upper. I will put my minced one here, right there. And the next one, Melissa, you will put it there. And we are going to wait. We are going to wait until it cooks. And it will be a yummy Sunday evening. Close our oven right there and wait for episode 2 when we take it out of the oven.